Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of versatile knowledge. And in this video I will be telling you guys how you can check the GPU or the graphics processing unit on your Windows 10 computer. It is actually a very easy process, guys. First thing you have to do is you have to open the run command, or right from your search bar on your Windows PC. It works on all versions of Windows actually, and type dxdiag dx dialog. It is actually DirectX dialog which we'll be opening. So dxdiag is the dialog box that we'll be opening from here. Once we open, it will take generally 5 to 6 seconds to open, and this is the dialog, guys, where everything related to the memory of your computer, like the RAM, the size of the RAM, the version of the graphics processing unit, the default graphics processing unit, the integrated GPU, and the external GPU which will be present, like the NVIDIA GeForce or the Radeon, it will be present. And there is an option called next page. When you click on next page, the next page will be open where the integrated graphics or the integrated GPU is mentioned, and the size of the memory of the integrated GPU is also mentioned. And if you click on next, again there is another page which will be mentioning about all the graphics related information. And if you go to next page, there is this render option, and here you can find what is the version of your NVIDIA GeForce. As you can see, my laptop's NVIDIA GeForce GPU version is 820M, and everything else is mentioned over here. It's a 6 GB graphics processing unit, and every other information is mentioned here, guys. It is actually a very easy process. Just search for dxdiag on your run. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel as we have some awesome content on our channel. Thank you for watching, guys.